Commerce.
Gigi?
Kiki.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Here she comes. That's right. Must take you so long, huh? Where is she? Where is she?
Hi. Hello.
I'll go milk.
Huh? You tell Gigi you drink your milk?
Hello, what have you got? You got some milk.
Say, yeah, I drink my milk.
I can see you. Can you see me?
Yeah.
I will give it back.
Hello. Who's this?
She's very thirsty. You drink your milk. Yeah, you're thirsty.
Water.
Yeah, that's water. Come say hi to Gigi.
Mama.
Yes, honey?
I'm not going to talk to me today. I'm watching what you're doing, Ryan.
Alexa.
Blanco. Blanco.
Are you not going to talk to me today?
Alexa. Hey. She just woke up.
Does she, dear?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
What's she drinking?
Are you drinking milk?
Milk.
Alexa. Are you half asleep still?
She's just coming to life.
Yeah.
I know what it's like with me when I wake up at my
Tickle, tickle.
age.
No.
Yeah. Say hi. Hi, Gigi.
Is your mama coming over today, Amanda?
Yes.
Mama.
Thank you, honey. I hold that for you while you drink your milk.
Honey.